Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how do you customize your Threads feed algorithm in the Threads application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. And the first thing we want to do is open up the Threads application right here. So once you have opened it up, you're going to go and be greeted by the main page. So if you do not already have the application downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for the Threads application, find it and install it. So once you've installed it and open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page that looks like this. You're going to log into your account that you want to use with Threads. So once you have done so, here we can get started taking a look at our feed. So now guys, how can you customize your feed to view only what you want and to set the algorithm to however you want? Well, it's very easy guys. What we're going to do is go right here into our profile icon in the bottom right corner. In the bottom right corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. That's going to open up your profile menu right here. We can take a look at all the people you follow, your followers, and so on. And now guys, you can see one of the options in the menu bar right here is going to be called feeds. Once you open up feeds, this is going to enable you to go ahead and handpick people and topics to make your perfect feed. So by clicking create, it's going to go ahead and enable you to select what hashtags you want to follow, what people you want to see in your feed. You can select anybody you want. Once you're unsatisfied, you can go ahead and delete them and so on. This is how it's going to enable you to go ahead and manage your customizable feed and change your algorithm to whatever you prefer. So using this, once you've set your feed, you can go and select which one you want to follow, and all the people you have added are going to go and be appearing right here, and you'll be able to take a look at their threads. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.